In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your My New App project in Cursor. We're going to keep things simple and focused so you can get your project open and ready to edit without any confusion. By the end, you should see your My New App folder loaded inside Cursor with all its files accessible in the sidebar. First, launch the Cursor application. Open it the same way you open any program on your computer. Use your dock or taskbar, your applications or programs list, or your system search. When Cursor opens, give it a moment to load the workspace. If you already have a different project open, that's fine. We're just going to switch to the correct folder in a moment. Next, go to the File menu at the top. On Windows and Linux, you'll see File in the top left of the application window. On Mac OS, it's in the System menu bar at the top of your screen. Choose Open Folder or Open Project, depending on what Cursor shows on your system. If you see both options, pick the one that mentions Folder or Folder/Project. Avoid Open File here. That option only opens a single file and won't give you the full project tree you want. A system file dialog will appear. Use the sidebar to jump to common locations like desktop, documents, or your development folder. Navigate to where you previously created the My New App folder. If you're not sure where you put it, try searching within the dialog for My New App. Once you find it, select the folder itself. Don't go inside and choose an individual file. You should see the folder name highlighted. Then confirm by clicking Open or Select Folder, depending on your operating system. Cursor will load the folder as a project. Look to the left sidebar for your Explorer or file tree. You should see My New App listed at the top with its subfolders and files underneath. This confirms you opened the entire project and not just a single file. If you accidentally open the wrong location, simply return to File and repeat the Open Folder/Project action to select the correct My New App folder. A couple of quick tips as you begin. If your file tree is collapsed, expand it to view your files. If you don't see the sidebar, toggle the Explorer view from the View menu. And if your project name appears at the top of the window, that's a great sign that you're working in the right place. That's it. Cursor is open, and your My New App project is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy building.